The South Beach Symposium is run by committee. We're part of the committee, but it's really nice because we have experts in the aesthetic space, and we have experts in the plastic space, and we have experts in the MedDerm space. So we're excited. We love being in South Beach. We hope you all join us for this great meeting that we're planning. It'll be the 21st year.
21st year, and it's been such a integral part of dermatology forever, but yet there are new concepts. We're going to bring in integrative dermatology, tie in some of the genomics as relates to dermatology. And I think one of the great ideas is historically this meeting has had aesthetic dermatology and medical dermatology almost as separate tracks. But as we're beginning to find out, the medical dermatologists more and more want to learn about aesthetics, and the aesthetics dermatologists are more and more doing medical dermatology. So it really integrates both of them together, and it's very exciting. February 9th to the 12th, 2023 at the Lowe's Hotel in South Beach. Join us.
See you then.